Hello everyone. Welcome to the Gyan Station, the virtual global platform. Gyan Station serves the professional from diverse fields, law practitioners, corporates, management trainees, consultant, chartered accountants, company secretary, cost management accountant to help them in their journey of knowledge, professional growth, career building and personal development. And this webinar is also part of this series, this mission of us. Today we have got the galaxy of panelists with us. Our internationally acclaimed speaker, Dr. Rajkumar Adukiaji from Mumbai, the symbol of women empowerment, Company Secretary Divya Momaya from Navi Mumbai, our dedicated member of ICAI, CA Churchill Jain, and all our participants. I welcome you all on Gyan Station in today's webinar. To begin with, let me give a short introduction of our today's guest. She is Divya Momaya ji. Um, she is the company practicing company secretary, having more than 16 years of experience. She is practicing in Navi Mumbai. Her expertise include corporate and secretarial laws, corporate governance, business development, startups, mentorings, consulting businesses to scale up faster and better. She is founder of Mentor My Board, an initiative to train and groom promoters, directors. She is on mission to help Indian corporate directors and build a community of 1 lakh directors. She is also an independent director on the board of Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited and Arihant Superstructure Limited, both listed on BSE and NSE. She is also author of a book on relationship coming home on to in-laws available on Kindle. I welcome you, ma'am, on this platform of Gyan Station and would like to hear your words of wisdom. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Dipti, for inviting me here. And it's really indeed pleasure to be amongst you all. And I mean, I have been observing Adukia sir, and I've been following him for so long and so many years. I mean, the way we started our professional journey, I have been, he has been a role model for all of us. So success, I mean, the topic what today I understand is success, is about in your corporate journey or in your professional journey. And I think it's a continuous process. You keep always learning, you keep always growing. So there is no complete benchmark of success, what I observe. And people like Adukia sir, people like, I mean, I have been a great follower of Nilesh Bhai Vikamsi, and so many other professionals. So they always keep me inspiring, and I always treat myself as work in progress. But yes, if I have to share my journey here. In last 16 years of my career, I have been working with a lot of corporates. Again, working with the corporates, I realized that it's you have to think different, you have to work differently. And that's where, while working with the companies, basically I realized that they have lesser knowledge about the compliances, about the real practices, board practices. And that drove me, and now that has transformed in a purpose for me. So now I am working for that purpose of my life, to help more and more corporate boardrooms through best practices, best governance practices, and again, grooming and training of the directors. So that's a small journey what I have, and long way to go further.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's really inspiring. And you are really a symbol of women empowerment. You make me feel strong whenever I see you on social media or doing great work or through Mentor My Board.
Thank
You are
you.
such an inspiration.
Thank
And to your knowledge, I would like to share here with all our participants and everyone, we are coming up with a webinar on 24th of January, A to Z of corporate governance and independent director, that is from 11 to 1 p.m. So would like you to be all here there on this for this webinar, and sure ma'am, I would like to have your presence also.
I'll be there. Thank you.
Yes,
For the
thank you.
invitation.
Yeah, our next guest is a very good friend of mine, and his nature, he's a very dedicated to the fraternity. He is CA. Churchill Jain, Regional Council Member of CIRC of ICAI. Last year, he was the Vice Chairman of CIRC, had already completed 2 terms in this region. He is partner of Dasani and Associated. Head office is in Indore. And recently, he has been appointed as Central Auditor of Bank of Baroda. He is a very pleasing and friendly personality, always there to help and support everyone, whoever comes in his contact. He is very contagious kind of person. So over to you, Churchill ji. It's your pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Respected Rajkumar Adukia साहब, आपका स्वागत है. दिव्या मैम और सभी पार्टिसिपेंट जो यहाँ पे हैं, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं, उन सभी को मैं नमस्कार करता हूँ. विशेष रूप से मैं बधाई देना चाहूँगा ज्ञान स्टेशन की, उनके फाउंडर मेंबर दीप्ति जी की, जो कि हमारे JCF के जनरल सेक्रेटरी भी हैं मैम. और बधाई इसलिए क्योंकि इन्होंने ना केवल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के साथ CA में सभी प्रोफेशनल ब्रदर सिस्टर्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म उपलब्ध कराया है, जिसके माध्यम से वो प्रोफेशनल कैपेसिटी में, इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में या सोशल कैपेसिटी में भी अपने आप को इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे पाके किसी भी स्टेशन से अन्य स्टेशन पे जाने के लिए गाड़ी पकड़ सकता है, जिससे वो प्रोग्रेस कर सके. तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा दीप्ति जी को, जिन्होंने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म सभी के लिए तैयार किया. और विशेष रूप से हम सबके सफलता के गुरु और बहुत सारी चीजें हमको बहुत समय से समझाते आ रहे हैं अडुकिया साहब, उनका मैं तहे दिल से सम्मान करता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें उनसे मैं सीखता आ रहा हूँ. मैं 2008 से उनका फॉलोअर हूँ, बट वो जानते नहीं जानते शायद, बट मैं उनको रियली मन से हमेशा रिगार्ड करता हूँ सर का. बहुत सारी चीजें हमेशा सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि इस लेवल पे हम भी कभी पहुंच पाए. और जो आज का टॉपिक है उसके लिए मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा, सफलता के लिए अगर अपन बात करें तो सफलता का आइडिया केवल एक यही होता है, सिर्फ आसमान छूना ही कामयाबी नहीं है. सिर्फ आसमान छूना ही कामयाबी नहीं है. कामयाबी तो वो है, कामयाबी वो है अगर आसमान छू लो और पैर आपका जमीन पे है. तो
वेरी नाइस.
सबके अलग अलग सिद्धांत हो सकते हैं. बाकी मैं कामयाबी का सूत्र जो है, मैं मेरे मित्रों के प्यार और जो शुभ चेतना के सीनियर्स हैं उनके आशीर्वाद को मानता हूँ. कहते हैं कि 90% जैसे चार्टर्ड की पढ़ाई या अपनी प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन होती है, उसमें 90% लक आपका काम करता है, लेकिन 10% जो है 90% अपनी वर्किंग काम करती है और 10% लक काम करता है. वो 10% लक जो है वो बड़ों के आशीर्वाद से ही अपने को मिलता है. वो 90% मेहनत पे भारी पड़ता है. तो मैं सबसे ही कहना चाहूंगा कि अपने सीनियर्स का हमेशा आशीर्वाद लेते रहें. जैसे अडुकिया जी का हम सबके ऊपर हाथ है और उन्होंने इस सेमिनार में आके हमको, मतलब मैं स्पेशल गेस्ट हूँ लेकिन हम सबके लिए स्पेशल गेस्ट आप हैं. और ज्ञान स्टेशन की तरफ से एज ए होस्ट में आप सबसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि आप इस प्रोग्राम को ध्यान से सुने और सफलता के जो सूत्र हैं हमारे रेस्पेक्टेड सर से आप जाने. और मैं यही कामना करता हूँ कि सब इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़ के नए नए स्टेशन पे जाएंगे सफलता के. और लास्ट लाइन और मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अब जब हम चढ़े हैं तो उस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, गलत दिशा में 1000 कदम चलने से अच्छा है कि ऐसी ट्रेन में बैठे जो लक्ष्य की तरफ 4 कदम में अपने को पहुंचा दे. तो बहुत बहुत बधाई आप सभी को. और दीप्ति मैडम, विशेष रूप से आपने जो प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है सभी के लिए कामयाबी का मार्ग हो सकता है. और ऐसे लर्नेड पर्सन को आप सबके सामने लाइए कि सब सुनना चाहेंगे सर को. दिव्या मैडम, आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई, आप इतने बढ़िया पद पे हैं और बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रही हैं. आप कभी इंदौर भी कभी कोई सेशन होगा ब्रांच का या रीजन में कोई प्रोग्राम है तो मैं आपसे निवेदन करूंगा. अडुकिया साहब को तो सब जानते हैं. आज BL बिस्सा साहब से भी जोधपुर में बात हुई थी तो उन्होंने ही बोला कि अडुकिया साहब से मेरे संबंध अच्छे हैं. जोधपुर में सीनियर मेंबर है BL बिस्सा साहब, वो भी आपको जानते हैं, शायद वो भी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं प्रोग्राम को अभी.
हाँ सर, वो थोड़ी देर में ज्वाइन होंगे.
हाँ, बिस्सा साहब आने वाले.
हाँ जी.
आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं. ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म आप बनाए रखें. मेरी शुभकामनाएं आप सभी के साथ है.
थैंक यू. बहुत 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 धन्यवाद चर्चिल जी. आपके शब्द बहुत ही मोटिवेटिंग, एंकरेजिंग है.
आप काम ही ऐसा कर रहे हो, हमको तो मन से शब्द निकलते हैं. मैं कोई अलग से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. काम ही ऐसा किया आपने, इतने सीनियर मेंबर और इतने लर्नेड मेंबर को आप लाए सबके लिए.
थैंक यू सर. Now let's begin with our session. We have with us with our presentation today we have with us international motivational speaker and growth coach who had authored more than 300 plus books. He is a BCom CA, Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary, Cost Management Accountant, LLB, MBA, MCom, Diploma in Criminology, PhD, Diploma in IFRS, and so much more. And he had left no stone unturned during his career, spending to more than 39 years. His vast experience include training and professional services to banks, institutions, corporate government, departments, and regulators. And as such, he has been author of 300 books on wide range of topics ranging from those dealing with trade, taxation, finance, real estate, the insolvency and bankruptcy code, intellectual property rights, banking laws, emerging technologies like AI and blockchain to topics relating to personal and professional growth. He is the winner of National Book Honor Awards 2018. He has been independent director of mutual fund company and asset management company, and at ICA, an independent director at ICAI Accounting Research Foundation section of the Section 8 company. He has been regularly conducting various seminars and lectures on different forums. He is a motivational speaker, growth coach, life and business coach, has done various self-developments from India, courses from India and USA. Adukia ji has done a graduate course from Landmark Worldwide, which is a personal and professional growth training and development company focusing on people achieving success and fulfillment. His training, his exposure to advanced programs and introduction to leadership programs has helped him has made him the most sought after trainer in the areas of business development and personal development. He has been a trainer at many corporates, which has resulted in positive and permanent shift in the quality and life of people. He is ardent follower of Think and Grow Rich and had done a course from Bob Proctor series on thinking into results. His experience from his international trainings has been penned down in his various books on self-development. He had written over 11 books on self-development. He has done courses on winner, time management, stress management, and he has mastered the program of Siddha Samadhi Yoga, Silva Mind Control, Alternative Therapy, Think and Grow Rich, Art of Living, Reiki. He is a learned speaker. So now it's a sheer honor and pleasure to hear you, sir. The dais is all yours. Over to you. And I welcome you on Gyan Station.
थैंक यू दीप्ति जी एंड थैंक यू. मैं सोचा कि इंट्रोडक्शन अभी और चलेगा. थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग इट brief.
Sure. Yes.
Though it was not brief in my understanding. And we are lucky that we have two successful professionals, Divya and Churchill, who are an example before all the participants. And we are also lucky that the participants, we have a mixed group. We have entrepreneurs from different businesses. We have professionals. We have a student. We have a, homemakers. So a very, very unique group. And my target and mission is that each one of you, the 44 minutes and 104 minutes, if we add 60, we utilize every minute and a second available out of that. Now, first I will talk in brief about today's subject and then I will go to PPT. हमको हर व्यक्ति को पता है कि सक्सेस क्या है. When we look at Mukesh Ambani, we feel he is very successful. When Donald Trump became US president, we felt he is very successful. And today we feel that he is not successful because there is an impeachment against him. we feel successful, very rich people which we look around us. There are few participants from my complex itself. So in our complex where I reside, we have a different strata of people. So the success definition, I'll be requesting Dipti to make this open in a discussion form. But success begins with a person feeling successful wherever they are. Like, so I have reached a certain stage because of number of years put by me, say 39 years of professional life. But a beginner also should feel successful, because I have created this example to say it is like eating food. So when we take food, we have a starter, we have a main course, and we have a dessert. So the starter is, unless there is a starter, the main course will not be enjoyed. So the starter for success is wherever we are, we should dance, we should accept the life, the stage at which we are. And then we look at, what is our goal. And without goal, the station will not come. If I don't know whether I have to go to Delhi, then I may end up in Kolkata, I may end up in Chennai. So I should know my goal, then only the success will come. And if I don't reach Delhi, I may reach a station near to Delhi. तो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि अगर चांद पे जाने की गोल करो, तो चांद पे नहीं गए तो कम से कम सितारों के पास पहुंचोगे. And then we will see desert how we can have a repetitive success after success. To talk to each of the participants, few of them, has given me a very good insight कि there are plenty of books on success. There are plenty of YouTube videos. You type a subject, motivation, there will be plenty of YouTube videos, maybe more than 1 lakh. We type on stress management, there will be plenty of books and plenty of other material available. So today's webinar, we will discuss, the to-do, a practical guide, and I will be sharing my experience in whatever I have done from my student time till today in various achievements. So I would request participant, मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि वो अपने क्वेश्चंस चैट बॉक्स में लिखें. और चैट बॉक्स में 2 फैसिलिटी है, मैं खुद देख रहा था. Dipti, I think they can send to the panelists and all attendees.
Yes.
As a facility. So, and we have made, I think Dipti has made this session in the interactive form, yes, rather than a webinar. So we can see all the participants, and in the chat box, we can put our questions. Dipti will assist me, yes, and I request Divya and Churchill also, till whatever time they can put their questions, their observations. So I'll start sharing my PPT, but we will have more interaction.
I request all participants to keep posting their Q&A section. It will be better if you post it directly in Q&A session.
So सबसे पहला जो मेरा स्लाइड है वो ये है कि मैं हर मोमेंट डांस करूं. ऐसा होता नहीं है, लेकिन आई एम कॉन्शियस ऑफ दैट फैक्ट. मतलब मैं हर 1 घंटे अपने आप को रिमाइंड करूं कि नहीं, मैं मेरे सामने अभी मेरे बेडरूम में मैंने कुछ किताबें रखी है जो मोटिवेशनल किताबें है, मेरी लाइब्रेरी में, बाहर हॉल में. तो जब भी मेरी कोई नजर पड़ती है तो I get reminded to myself that I have to be enthusiastic.
स्टार्टअप मूवमेंट से जुड़ चुके हैं.
Circumstances may not be, always favorable, and they are not favorable, but life is to enjoy, to get excited. We have to dance so then only we will. So what is the agenda which I want to discuss is how to have a success from this moment. See, all past will always be there till we die. But we have to remember good part of past. We have to learn to forgive self and forgive others, because our baggage should be minimum. कई बार हमें मन में ख्याल आता है, नहीं यार उसने इतना गलत किया, उसको पनिशमेंट तो देना है. नहीं, वो पनिशमेंट देने में हमारी जो एनर्जी लगेगी, वो एनर्जी हम किसी अचीवमेंट में लगाएंगे, then we will be more successful. And then how to have a repetitive success and how to be fully satisfied with life and having a balanced life. So goal सक्सेस कब मिलती है कि जब एक सक्सेस मिल गई तो देयर शुड बी अनदर गोल. इफ देयर इज नो अदर गोल, देयर इज अ वैक्यूम. जैसे मेरा गोल, माय मनी गोल इज अचीव्ड. आई हैड अ सर्टेन मनी गोल. आई हैड अ गोल, आई विल डिस्कस, टाइम परमिट्स, टू हैव अ बंगलो. सो माय हाउस इज लाइक अ बंगलो. नाउ माय गोल इज टू contribute in every person's life who come in my contact. And then there should be very high, bigger goal. So, but those goals, I have not made it in a very serious form, maybe to be a prime minister of the country, a finance minister of the country. So one is to work on the goal, then only goal will be achieved. Now, in a word success, we know that there are 7 alphabets. But success, the most important alphabet is second alphabet. Success depends on you and you and you and you. मैंने ग्रुप में एक किताब पोस्ट की है जिसका नाम है स्ट्राइक गोल्ड. उसमें 26 अल्फाबेट का मैंने एक्सपांशन किया है. लेकिन 26 अल्फाबेट में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट अल्फाबेट, पहला अल्फाबेट है ए फॉर एक्शन. एक्शन एक्शन एक्शन. एक्शन will give the results. So success is, we must have a goal. Without goal, I will not have a success. I must have a goal. Say goal may be to pass a particular exam, to become a CMD of a company, to become a most number 1 professional in the country, to have to be an entrepreneur where value of my business is say 5,000 crore or 100 crore. So I must have a goal, burning desire. I'll discuss that. Then I must understand the obstacles. I have to create a positive mental picture. ऐसा कहते हैं कि समझो सूर्य चला गया, हम रोने लगे, तो रोने से क्या होगा कि हम सितारे भी नहीं देख पाएंगे. So in every failure there is a silver lining, and believe me, I have practiced in my life, and the moment I started seeing a silver lining, it is a different enthusiasm. सक्सेस तभी आती है जब हमारे में 100% कॉन्फिडेंस हो. एक मूवी आई थी सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार. उसमें एक नन्ही बच्ची का ड्रीम होता है कि शी शुड बी द वर्ल्ड टॉप सिंगर. उसने कोई गाना सीखा नहीं था. हर मदर गेव हर अ लैपटॉप without the permission of the father. In the night, she sings a song, first song, and she put it in a social media, and she immediately expects a feedback from top composers. आपने जिन लोगों ने देखी, आप चैट में लिखिए कि आपने वो मूवी देखी है, क्योंकि उसका एक एग्जाम्पल मैं ये देना चाहता हूँ. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल मैं देना चाहता हूँ कि टुवर्ड्स अ क्लाइमेक्स you know, she, the girl and her mother, she said, we want to leave the house. तो वो मदर को बोलती है कि कहाँ जाना है, अगर डेस्टिनेशन नहीं मालूम है तो हम कैसे जाएंगे और कहाँ जाएंगे. So we must know the destination, and we should have 100% faith कि मुझे ये डेस्टिनेशन मिलेगा. Embrace the challenge, stay on a track, and show the world you can do it. मैं जैसे अपने बारे में बताऊं, I come from a very small family. A small family where, you know, my clothes in the childhood I used to wear for 3 years, one set of clothes. So, but when I became graduate in 1980, I had a dream that I will see the whole world. I'll put my foot on every country of the world. I had two dreams. Another was that in a bookshop, all my books should be there. Now, both I have achieved significantly, like visited more than 100 countries, written more than 300 books. And say in 83, when I became chartered accountant, I told my father that I want to become an advocate. I want to do LLB. So father told, you know, we live in Mumbai. So he said, go to VT station. There is a court called Esplende Court. And you will find an advocate, you know, standing outside the court कि भाई चलो आपको एफिडेविट बनाना है क्या 20 रुपए में, पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी बनाना है क्या. तो because in 1983 that was the rate. My father was 8th standard pass. He was not knowing कि there is Mr. Harish Salve who may be charging more than 10 lakhs rupees per hour. So what I did at that point of time, from my pocket money, I did LLB because my father was not in favor of doing LLB. And I informed the house members, you know, after I completed it. So anything, you know, I am saying from my practical, and I want to put a challenge to all participants. And therefore, Dipti has made this course, and not only participants, maybe other than well-known people, they can contact me, and I want to become partner in their goal. How they can achieve their goal. So we will have a, you know, measurement of the goal, maybe every week, every month, whatever periodicity, but goal achievement will depend on first alphabet, action, action, action. And the second alphabet, which is there in the definition of success, U. The action is to be taken by the person who want to achieve the goal. So I can play a role of mentor. And I want you to put questions in the chat box so the session becomes more interesting. You can mention what you want from the program so we utilize the time very effectively, and keep on putting additional questions. Now, another thing with the goal is mind is everything what you think you become. This is by Gautam Buddha. If I feel I cannot be Prime Minister of India, there are steps, you know, if I want to become Prime Minister, I have to join a party and like that. But if I feel I cannot become, then I will never become. Divya is company secretary because she felt, she joined, she filled the form for CS because that is the first requirement. She started mentor for the board because she felt she can be a world leader in guiding the board members. Dipti Jain, you know, I'll come to another Think and Grow Rich book. I told her that I want to be her partner because I have a passion. My goal is to share my experience. And Dipti's passion is to do the program. I have told Divya also earlier that I want to be your partner. because I have an experience of corporate governance, independent directors. So I will come to a concept later called a concept of mastermind. Mastermind का क्या मतलब होता है? In mathematics 1 + 1 is 11. जैसे एक मूवी आई थी टाइगर जिंदा है, उसमें सलमान खान और कैटरीना कैफ, सलमान इज हिंदुस्तानी, कैटरीना इज पाकिस्तानी, and another country, maybe a Gulf country, people, they had made a host that sees the persons from both the countries. Together they could fight, two individuals could fight the whole army of a third enemy country. So the power of mastermind, say for example, Dipti and myself, if she focus on organizing programs and I focus on technical side, we can do a miracle. There are listed companies in training, there are listed companies in publishing. So the first thing for success is mind. And I'll talk little more on the mind. In Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 6, there is a sixth shloka, so 6.6. Lord Krishna says, for him who has conquered the mind is the best friend. But who has failed to conquer the mind is the worst enemy. अभी जैसे हम 1 मिनट के लिए सोचें कि इस प्रोग्राम से कुछ नहीं मिलना है, 200 रुपया गए पानी में और 2 hours में पानी में गया, then it will happen in that way. And if we think कि नहीं यार 200 रुपये में Mr. Adukia is putting a challenge, I will take a goal that in 1 year I want to make a business of 2,000 crore. Let Mr. Adukia tells me how to make a business of 2,000 crore. I want to make 200 rupees as a 2,000 crore. Then mind will work in that direction. So if we want to be successful, we have to have a positive mental attitude. We have to always think positive. कुछ गलत भी हो गया, नुकसान भी हो गया तो अच्छा हुआ, इससे ज्यादा नुकसान हो सकता था. तो then it will bring the sense. And another thing is we have to be a calm mind, because brilliant things will happen in the calm mind. And we have to be aware of self-talk. जैसे मैं कोई प्रेजेंटेशन देता हूँ, जैसे आज तो मैंने ये डिसाइड किया है कि दिस प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन, दिस विल बी द बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ माय लाइफ सो फार. If tomorrow if I am giving another presentation, that will be the best presentation of my life. That means it will be better than today. So in the morning, Hal Herold has written a book, Morning Miracle. So morning when I get up, I say, I am very healthy, I am very wealthy, it's a wonderful day of mine, I'll have a big achievements today. And we can repeat this at a periodical interval. We call it an affirmation, so that there is no space for negative things in our mind. जैसे हम खाना खाते हैं, अगर हमारी थाली में 10 आइटम है, अगर हमें कुछ नई आइटम लेती है तो we have to take out an existing item from the thali, because then only there will be a space. Same thing is in our work life. I'll be talking little about time management. Where the time comes, I take a session that the day is of 96 hours, not 24 hours. My personal experience is, I live in Andheri, and sometimes suppose I have to attend a wedding in Dombivli or Thane. After 5 minutes going ahead for a wedding destination, I tell a driver, no, today we will not go for a wedding. Because my mind tells me going and attending the wedding will take 5 hours. You will be spending 10 minutes at a wedding place. And just to put your presence mark, we'll come to that aspect, what. So depending on if it is a must, it is of a relative or somebody, then it is a different aspect. Similar way, there are many meetings, there are many tasks. So in our self-talk, we have to say we have a time for everything. And I'll, at later place, I have put another point. Brian Tracy has written a book, Eat That Frog. मतलब we don't eat frog, मेंढक नहीं खाते हैं, लेकिन उसने क्या कहा है कि जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम है वो तुरंत करना है. नो, आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. दीप्ति ने मुझे एक बार कहा एमएसएमई में प्रोग्राम करना है. In 10 minutes, I gave her the list of 10, 12 faculties. Similarly, some other program. What I realized, if we do it immediately, our desk is empty. क्योंकि उसमें ज्यादा समय नहीं लगना है. But if we keep it pending, then, you know, there is a stress on mind कि इतना काम बाकी है. There will be a reminder from the people. जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग हुए हैं अभी, इनके बारे में जो मैंने सुना है वो देखा है, जैसे मुकेश अंबानी भी, तो 3 बजे के पहले उनके जो मेजर मास्टरमाइंड ग्रुप है उन लोगों के पास ईमेल चला जाता है कि उनको क्या काम करना है. तो वी हैव टू टॉक वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट सेल्फ. So there are few examples of affirmation that I'm in charge of my mind, I'm very strong, I feel good, there are amazing opportunities for me, I choose to be happy. And this can be in all aspects of our life: health, relationship, money, society. And so there can be beauty. I'm very handsome, I'm very beautiful. Because this is what our mind feels about the confidence, that I'm very confident of myself. I have a self-esteem. Then, you know, these are the various areas where we can have an affirmations. And any expert, 1 second. I'll just put, I'm having tea, so the expert in anything was once a beginner. So in our goal, if we start today, we are definitely going to achieve our goal. Everything in this world, today's program, आज मैं दूसरी बार बात कर रहा हूँ. पहली बार when Dipti spoke to me, Madam Dipti Jain, ki we want to have this program. So anything first happens in the mind. जो भी आज तक हमने किया है, education, marriage, those who are having children, having a house, everything has happened twice. And first, it must happen in the mind. If it does not happen in the mind, it will never happen in reality. And I would like to have an example from the participants which did not happen in the mind and happened in reality. It will be a miracle. It will be a windfall, but it will not be happening in the normal manner. It will not be an achievement. It will not be a success in a normal manner. And mind has a wonderful faculties like imagination, perception, thinking, intelligence. And we should start using this wonderful power. You know, normally all these successful people, they use only 2% of their intelligence. So their intelligence used is of very less percentage. If we start using more, we will be eighth wonder in the world. Then, there is, in mind, we have two kinds of mind, subconscious mind and conscious mind. Subconscious mind, and there is, people say there is a unconscious mind also when we stop. So the subconscious mind, you can see in this picture that subconscious mind may be 100 times more powerful than a conscious mind. So we are now talking at a conscious level. Now subconscious mind is awake, just before sleeping, immediately after getting up. So if we put, and subconscious mind don't have a logic. If I say that I have 1000 crore, then subconscious mind will say, yes, Mr. Adukia, you have 1000 crore. And if I say for 10 days, I will have, believe me, I will have 1000 crore. By saying only, it will not happen. I'll come to the main course. There are 13 steps to achieve any goal, which is given by Napoleon Hill. And we have to follow those steps. We should have a very burning desire. We should have 100% faith. Then the health is very important, as I said, because if I'm not healthy, I will not have an enthusiasm to achieve anything, to do a new thing. So our body is our rath, our chariot. So we should have a meditation, we should have a proper exercise, we should have a sound sleep. We should never cut on our sleep to do more work. We should have a proper food, positive thinking, forgiving. So the passion, passion of doing something. Like I have a passion of writing book. I have a passion of reading. I have a passion of sharing knowledge. So if God tells me, Mr. Adukia, you don't require sleep or you do not take any food, for 24 hours, I would like to read, write, share my experience. Because that is my passion, which do not give me a fatigue at all. And I would like each one of you to experiment that with me. When you are discussing your goal, when you want to achieve your success. So passion, we are not get tired when we work for our passion. And my passion is now, as I said, I have achieved a money goal. I have achieved a health goal. I am working. I spend 3 hours a day, every day on health. Relationship is also very, very important aspect. So relationship with parents, relationship with spouse, with children, in extended family, society. So we'll come on that. Then patient Stephen Covey has written a separate book. He has called 8th Habit. We will also look very briefly the 7 habits of highly effective people. And there's another book, 7 habits of highly effective families. And friends, believe me, if we put everything in practice, it works. It is not just in the books. Then writing, declaring, suppose just now I said I want to be a prime minister. Now, if I declare it publicly, if I tell in society, if I tell to all my family members, then I will become more responsible. I will see that I do that, I take the action. Now, it is called definite chief aim, the goal. Now, Bruce Lee in 1969 he wrote his goal that I'll be the first highest paid Oriental superstar in the United States. And for every goal, I have to give in return something. I'll give the most exciting performances and render the best of quality in the capacity of an actor. And starting 1970, I will achieve the world fame. And at the end of 1980, that means after 10 years, I will have 10 million US dollar. I will live the way I please and achieve inner harmony and happiness. And he achieved that. So why I am giving this example? So suppose there is an entrepreneur and I want a live example. So suppose if that says my turnover, I want to make it 500 crores by December 2021. Then automatically an imagination will come, in which country I can sell, within India, who can be my customers, which product I should make, how much product I can sell online, who can be my distributors, whether I should expand my manufacturing capacity or I should take from the job work. So like this, every goal, so goal will happen. We should develop a goal in our life. We should make it a burning desire कि मैं ये करके ही रहूंगा. To give you an example, I had a goal. I became a chairman of Western region in 97. I had a goal to become a chairman from 95. In 97, when I became chairman, before that, we have to meet the elected members in the regional council. So one member told me from Ahmedabad that he is available only tomorrow. So on that day, I traveled from Bombay to Ahmedabad. I slept near the door after putting the newspaper in the compartment, because there was a burning desire to become the chairman and to meet that member and to convince him to vote for me. I'll give you another, because my goal was in different direction. My goal was to take positions. The money goal was also there. Then 1 year after that, my goal was to become All India elected member. I have traveled in buses. I did not have that money. So to save the money, I have stayed in the houses of the member. So once you have a burning goal and you write down your goal and you start visualizing, there is one student who talked to me. So if say I want to become chartered accountant, I am a student. I should start visualizing that I am signing the audit report. I am giving an opinion and I am signing it. If I want to become an entrepreneur with 1,000 crore turnover, I should feel that, I am selling a product of 10 crore to somebody and I have received a transfer of 10 crore. Read the goal twice in a day, take daily actions, alphabet, actions, and never give up. We will discuss about persistence also, which is very important. So Brian Tracy has written a book on goal setting. Napoleon Hill की किताब भी हम बात करेंगे. There is a book, a small book, which I'll put, many books I'll put in the group. Because the PDFs are available in the public domain. There is a small book of 77 pages, Science of Getting Rich. It was written in 1910. And it is given that we have to have an impression of increase. अगर हमारा कस्टमर हमें 1,000 रुपीज दे रहा है So we should give the value of 1200 or maybe 1500. जैसे हम, if we go to a hotel or say any other service provider, and if that person or organization gives some extra service to us, we will go again and again. So same thing applies in our business. There is one book which I am referring on this slide is U Square. How you can multiply the results, because you should do in a different manner. You should try to with a different customer. If you are in a sales things, if you are in a consultancy, maybe you start charging more, you market yourself in a different manner, you write a book on that. And the power of subconscious mind. There is a Dr. Joseph Murphy who has written a book on this. The goals comes, when we know the destination. If there is no destination, goal will not be achieved. We have to have a good health. We have to take the use of our subconscious mind. Our attitude will decide the destination. Time management. We have to change thinking pattern. We have to be always bullish. So how we can be bullish? Like each one of us sometimes feel low. So keep company of those persons, those friends who can make you bullish. So if you are down, because if you keep a company of people, if those who will say what you are working, why you need so much money, why you give so much time to your family, then one will go in a negative mode. So we should have a company of, now from today you can have my company. Whenever you feel low, you can talk to me, we can discuss the subject matter, whatever experience I have, I will share on that. There's a book by Rhonda Byrne, Secret. Like whatever you think you can get. There is a course, like movie, how movie is made. First, there is a script of the movie. The writer writes the movie script with the climax. And then the director, with the help of actors, make the movie. We should be writer of our movie. We should write the script of our movie, our life. We should write the climax of our life. And then we should make a movie. We should make it a real life movie. And believe me, it will happen. So we should have a clear sense of personal identity, personal mission. So what is success? It is success is what you define. If you are getting a salary of 50,000, those who are in employment, then that is a success, unless you enjoy that. If we start, when I was in a college, I studied from Hindi medium. And for 12th standard, we went to Sydenham College where English higher level was mandatory. And believe me, we got, those who were from vernacular medium, they got more marks compared to the other students who had come from English medium, because those who were from vernacular, they were knowing their weakness. So they worked on it. And then, like in my college, there were Mr. Uday Kotak, there were ex-students like Ajay Piramal. So I started comparing myself. I come from a family of 8th standard pass father, who earns 800 rupees per month. But my comparison started with those industrialists. Why I cannot be like them? But my goal was not an industry. Otherwise, with confidence, with humbleness, I can say that I would have achieved that goal. Or goal is what? Not achieving, putting yourself 100% in that decision. So if I put my 100%, not even 0.01% less in a particular task, then I'm successful. The result may be anything. See, when I gave my CA exam, I had never expected rank in intermediate. I studied, gave an exam like an ordinary student. But I received first rank at All India level in May 81 exam. When I received first rank, I said nothing doing. In the final CA, I must get first rank. And I started studying day and night. My study time was in the kitchen of the house from night 11 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. because it was a small house in Goregaon with 4 brothers. 3 of them are married, all elder to me. So only place available to me was kitchen of the house. And the quiet time was only night time. So in the final CA, I got 6th rank, not first rank, because that time I had requested my father, I want to stay in hostel, I want time for my study. So if we put an effort, the success will come, and success definition is, say, homemaker. If she has created an environment of peace, if the children are well-mannered, she is very successful, maybe more successful than another woman who may be a CMD, Indra Nooyi, or something like that. So success is independent of status. From this moment, I want each participant to feel that they are very successful. Whatever they have done till now, because that is the first step to go ahead. Because whatever we have done till now, because past will remain always till we die, it will remain. And maybe those who believe in the life after life, which is a fact, it will remain permanently. But we have to accept present and enjoy present and recall the past success of present. So even many things, people, Napoleon Hill said, we become what we think. So our mind, we have to train more and more on our thinking. What I'll be taking different aspect of life, family management, time management, stress management, relationship, emotions management, like how to be conscious of our emotions, hobbies, HR. But what I would like, Dipti, that if there are any questions at this stage, I would like to take them.
Yes, sir.
Yogendra had asked one question: how do we start new thing or do big, where we are already engaged in 9 to 12 hours in job? Now, Yogendra, you can be more specific on that, but I'll tell you, like, when I was a student, I used to leave house at 6 a.m. from Goregaon. I had a costing classes 8 to 10. Then I had an article shift 10 to 6. Then I had a classes, CA classes 6 to 8. And when article shift, when the lunch time, everybody used to go out. I used to see those files, which otherwise was not available, say company audit or income tax files. So if we are in a job, I'll come to Napoleon Hill. He says, when you are in a job, you work as an owner, and one day you will be owner of the business. So we can talk more on this one-to-one, but in a job, because see, the success is when in the present circumstances I become successful. If I feel, no, I should have so much money, big house, then only I'll be successful. I will never be successful. You study all successful persons. They have succeeded in the existing environment. And you can ask supplementary question, but first, like Vishal has said, how to write book. Vishal, I have made 1, 2, 3 slide. We can write book within a day. I take a course, how to write book within a month. It's so easy. You tell me a subject and we will just now write a book. Vishal, you can put in the question subject of the book.
Yes.
Vishal ने लिखा है क्या? दीप्ति?
Yeah, Vishal I have unmuted. Vishal, please unmute yourself to ask the question.
आप कोई विषय का नाम बताओ जिस पे आप लिखना चाहते हो.
आर्बिट्रेशन पे लिखना चाहते हैं सर.
हाँ, तो विशाल आर्बिट्रेशन पे अगर किताब लिखनी है तो कोई भी चीज हम कैसे लिखते हैं कि आर्बिट्रेशन का जन्म कब हुआ, आर्बिट्रेशन की मीनिंग क्या है, उसके 4 मेजर. आर्बिट्रेशन इज अ वर्ड वेयर वी से नेगोशिएशन, mediation, conciliation and arbitration. We can go to the legislation of different countries. When was the first arbitration happened in the world? और जब आर्बिट्रेशन एक्ट नहीं था तो गांव में पंच आर्बिट्रेशन करते थे. तो कोई भी विषय पे किताब लिखना बहुत सरल है. और आप अगर लिखना चाहते हैं, आज हम 16 जनवरी को डिसाइड करते हैं विशाल, 16 फरवरी के पहले वो किताब पब्लिश होनी चाहिए. और हम सबको प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, सारे पार्टिसिपेंट को, कि वो पॉसिबल है. पब्लिशर के लिए काफी एजेंसीज है, नोशन प्रेस है और उनके जैसे कई पब्लिशर्स हैं जो अगर आप किताब लिख के दोगे तो किताब पब्लिश हो जाएगी. मैंने सबसे पहली किताब 98 में लिखी थी. तो मेरी किताब थी स्टैट्यूटरी बैंक ब्रांच ऑडिट. तो मैंने उसकी 500 कॉपी बनवाई और सारे पब्लिशर्स को, टैक्समैन, भारत लॉ हाउस, एशिया लॉ हाउस, सबको भेजी कि मैंने ये किताब लिखी है और मैं इस तरह की कई किताबें लिखना चाहता हूँ. एंड मेनी पब्लिशर्स रिस्पोंडेड एंड आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग द बुक्स. सो इट इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Then I'll go in chat box because in question answers there are not.
Sir, I would like you to answer the question. Please go in Q&A. Answered question. Preeti Bani ma'am has asked one question. I would like you to answer this question. Divya ma'am has already answered it, but would like to hear from your side.
नहीं, वो क्वेश्चंस कहाँ है? मुझे Q&A.
सर, ये Q&A में answered में है. Open, answered and dismissed. There is a tab which consists of 3 categories.
Okay. हाँ.
Yes. Sir, I would like you to answer.
Yeah. Preeti has asked a very question. She is वो बोलते हैं ना, hit at the right place. कि भाई मेरे जैसे कई मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं. मैं भी एक ब्रांडेड मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हूँ जैसे दीप्ति ने बताया. और मैं भी ये कह रहा हूँ, ये करो, A for एक्शन, और सक्सेस यू पे डिपेंड है. और इसको हम प्रैक्टिस में कैसे लाएंगे? सो प्रैक्टिस में लाने का तरीका ये है कि जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ उसमें मैं आज से एक्शन लेना शुरू करूँ. मतलब दिस यू हैव पुट अ क्वेश्चन प्रीति, बट आई वुड लाइक टू पुट योर गोल्स. Goals can be simultaneously in many aspects of life. Like I can have a goal to reduce 10 kg in a month. I can have a goal that I should acquire 2 more qualification in a year. I will have a goal that in my family life, if I'm unmarried, I should be married by a particular date. say by June 21 or December 21. So goal can be in different areas. So whatever is a goal, suppose my goal is I want to reduce 10 kg. I have to take action. I have to start either exercising at home, or I will have a fitness trainer. I will start running, walking, or I'll go to a good dietitian. So unless I will take that action, it will not happen. Suppose I take a goal that I want to get married. So I have to start taking action. I have to put on various matrimonial websites. I have to start telling. So I want to get married. I have a good self-esteem about myself. Say one of my nephew, his age is I think about more than 30 and is still not married. So my self-esteem is I may not have got married for whatever reason. I said 30, but I think it is more than that. So suppose the age becomes of an age which is more than a normal marriage age. I should have a self-esteem. I should talk about it. Suppose for a particular person, a divorce has taken a place. So it is not a crime. It may have taken place. It does not mean it is my mistake. Because today, the differences and divorce has become common compared to 50 years back, 100 years back. So depending on my goal, suppose I have a goal, one of the participant, I wanted to talk, the long-term goal is to become an entrepreneur in a particular area. Why not I take action from today? Rather than waiting, नहीं 10 साल में नौकरी करूंगा या करूंगी, उसके बाद में मैं बिजनेस शुरू करूंगी. So we can मैं वापस वो क्वेश्चन पे जाता हूँ, प्रीति का जो क्वेश्चन है. So
it's an answer. Yes, sir.
I have answered, but I can elaborate more one to
yes,
one.
Sir. Yes, sir. Please.
And I want to put a challenge. I want to say this again and again to every participant that make your goal. And when we make a goal, there is no boundary to make a goal. If I have 100 rupees, I cannot say that I will not have 1,000 crore. I will, person can earn only that much. Like I keep on telling Dipti that, see, competition, we should make our competitor, we should thank them. जैसे वो कबीरदास ने कहा ना, निंदक नियरे राखिए. Competition makes us more strong. We can do wonder with competitions. We should always tell, I have a skill, extra skill than my competitor. Then only I am a successful person. और क्या questions है दीप्ति? Chat में.
Yes, sir. One more question is there. How to stay?
Ayush Puri ka question na. How to
Yes,
stay
sir.
in flow when you know that you are doing something unique and best in the world, and that can make you something. But a small result depresses. Mold our notion. See, this is the emotion management. Or another question is how to make our brain more productive. See, one question which Ayush said put to me, and he is studying. He's a student, and he said there is a good offer of a startup. I advised him, please, for God's sake, don't go in that offer. That offer will always come. See, after I became CA, for 3 years, I became CA in 83, got married in 86. For 3 years, every penny I invested in conference, in books, in learning new things. After I got married, my family members started telling me, Rajkumar, we have made you CA, you are first ranker, and people earn so much. Then I started contributing to the family expenses. So now I am doing many courses because I said my passion is to study, to write. So I'm doing LLM, I'm doing MA Psychology. I've joined a new course, 1 year diploma in crime investigation, 7 certificate courses of ICSI. So you have to stay in flow because things will happen one by one. Miracle will not happen. So once you feel that there is a stress or there are 5 things and you decided one day to complete, then you scatter, you schedule them. You do one today, after completion of you can do tomorrow another. And when I'm saying one day means whatever period it takes. How to make our brain more productive? Very intelligent question. मैं हमेशा सबको बोलता हूँ कि अगर कोई ज्यादा कसरत करेगा तो वो कमजोर बनेगा कि ज्यादा ताकत वाला बनेगा? ज्यादा ताकत वाला बनेगा. So to make brain more productive, you should discuss with intelligent people. You should learn from various things, YouTube videos, from books, from seminars, conferences. There is a book, How to Talk to Anyone. We should not have, अरे वो जवाब देगा कि नहीं देगा. You can phone Mukesh Ambani, how you have created so much wealth. When you travel somewhere, you talk to people. So your brain will become more productive. If your classmates, your relatives have earned a lot of money, you talk to them by how you have earned the money, how you have started the business. Emotional intelligence, I'll share in a book on emotional intelligence. If we are cautious about our emotions, if I'm cautious that, I am feeling low, or somebody has told me something. Suppose after my presentation, Dipti said, "Nahi, your presentation could have been better, you could have covered." Then I should be conscious of that and I should overcome that. That will happen if my self-esteem is high, if I know I have put 100%, even if I have not performed up to the mark, how I can perform better next time. So if we are conscious of our emotions, and emotions are must, sometimes, like if something wrong has happened, crying or laughing. So this is one on the emotion management. Dipti, any other questions?
So I have got a lot of questions through mails also. Sir, how to recognize our work where you are doing good job but not recognized, like not getting recognition in your company?
I would like that person to expand more. Can unmute and expand.
This is from one of the mail which I have got through the mail. I can read the sequence of questions which the person has forwarded me. The question is, how to, few of the queries are, how to dare to
but that Dipti, that person may be here. If that person speaks out, it will be better. Yes, we request the queries to, if the queries can tell the question. Okay. Or those who have asked the question, they can unmute and ask the question.
Yes, sir, I have quoted. Please unmute yourself and raise your hand. I'll give the option to unmute participants. So
I think that option may not be available. It is
no, sir. So the person can raise the hand. Participant can raise the hand.
No, you can ask question because nobody has raised the hand so far.
So can I read the question, sir?
Yeah,
the person is not raising. Okay, I'll read it. The questions are, how to dare to talk with management for salary hike where you are giving your best in a corporate.
Yeah. Like, we have seen the movie Three Idiot. How confident is a person when giving an interview? So, first of all, we should be very humble. So we can tell the management that I am doing the work of so much work. And if I'm asking a hike in the salary, suppose I'm in a sales team, I'm getting say 50,000. There is another colleague of mine is getting 90,000. And I feel my performance is better than that person. Or another way of putting this is that I can give 10 times the result of what is being paid to me. So first of all, I should have my self-esteem that my value is 2 lakhs rupees per month, not 50,000 per month. Then only I will have a confidence to ask for 2 lakhs rupees per month. Then I saw the example of Bruce Lee. What I will give in return of getting 2 lakhs rupees per month. So if the company has 1,50,000 extra expenditure per month, I should be able to contribute say 15 lakhs or an X amount to the, what are the unique ideas with me? And more can be discussed one-to-one level. But these are the things which can be used. Like when I talk to, see, I'll give my example. When I talk to my client, my consultancy fees is, normally 5 times more than a normal consultant. So I tell them, I am the best in the world. And my knowledge is so multidisciplinary knowledge, and which other professional will not be able to give the advice. So much advantage I can give you. And therefore my charges are more.
Okay.
Like
Okay,
when we
sir.
go to a doctor, one doctor charges, 20 rupees. MBBS, another doctor may be charging 5,000 rupees for a consultation.
Yes, sir. So we should keep us confidence in ourselves that we deserve that salary amount,
And we
package
have to
amount.
give
Yes.
in real life, we have to give us services of value more than what we are
Yeah.
getting.
Asking for. Yes.
The impression of increase, the theory which Wallace Wattles gave.
That we should present it like that.
Yeah.
And sir, the next question is how to say no to people when no to people for the work in office when you are already extra loaded, and also in family relations, how to say no to people when you are not like for any work if they ask you to do and you want to say no, we are not in a position to do that work.
Yeah. See, there is a lot of literature. There is a book called Don't Say Yes When You Want to Say No.
Okay.
So in office, uh, suppose your senior gives you a work and you are performing your 100%. And then you can politely say, sir, I'm doing to my full efficiency, and this much work I can do. I need some time for the family. And so any sensible boss should accept if I am very sincere in what I'm saying. And if the boss is not sincere, I don't need such kind of job. I should have that gut that I'll pick up another employer.
Okay.
And in family relationship or say marriage, I gave an example of myself. Suppose if I want to save time, or saying no is a very good skill. It requires a courage. Why we don't say no? We want to be very good, goody कि हम किसी के सामने बुरा बनना ही नहीं चाहते. Like I used to take sessions on 1 or 2 days notice. Now I have decided unless there is a 15 days notice, I will not take a session.
Okay.
So self decision, if you take, then you can say no.
Okay. Yes, sir. So the next question is how to go on a next step of leadership and how to manage a big team. How to climb the leadership step and how to manage a big team when you have
Yes.
a team or to manage, how to do that.
See, one is it will apply both in a business and in a job. So if I want to go up at the next level, I have to demonstrate that kind of skill. Suppose I am the junior most in the organization, but still I can give an idea what kind of new business can be started by the company, what kind of improvement we can bring in the business to improve the productivity, how we can get the work done in a shorter time, how we can get another business, another sale order. Then naturally, if the management is, if the eyes are open, I'll be promoted to a next level.
Yes,
And there
action
are
plan.
slide, I'll be sharing the PPT uh, maybe tomorrow morning, today.
Okay.
So the whole PPT, so there are slide on team building and time management. So when we make a team, uh, so motivate, suppose I want to say that this is not a good thing. First, I can appreciate you have done a good job in a short time. And then these are the deficiencies. We have to empathize, we have to put ourselves in another, because we are dealing with people, we are not, the people are different than machine. Machine will work, if I put off the light, light will be put off. I don't need something else to do that. But
Yes,
for a
sir.
person, I have to have the human skills to deal with that person.
Yes.
Okay, Dipti, there is one question in the Q&A.
Yes, sir.
Laksha Joshi, how to manage time easily, and how many hours to study throughout to create 12 boards exam with best result?
He is a student in 12th standard.
Huh.
Basically, PCM is the subject managing time, juggling with the time between coaching classes, schools. This is so. How to he want to know how
I
to
will
manage?
answer,
He should.
this will apply not only for studies, but it will apply to, say, homemaker who has to do a household
Exactly.
work, a spouse, children, or maybe a business person. Here she is asking for the study. So you see, what we need for a good health is sound sleep, exercise, time for food and daily routine. So when I was today also, since I said my passion is study, read, writing. So I study maybe 15 hours a day. So I take 8 hours sleep. I do an exercise 3 hours, and so whatever time one can get, and one can do a multitasking. Suppose one is doing an exercise, say walking or something, can listen a YouTube video on that particular subject or whatever is the goal. So when I had this session on how to be getting success after success, now for last 3-4 days, when I was doing a walk or something, I used to listen a YouTube video of other motivational speakers. So you get a new point. Though on this subject I may have addressed 20 times earlier, but every session should be a new session, a new learning. So uh, one can, and one should enjoy the study. When we are on a study, like I'm a lifetime student. My tagline is, I tell sometimes that my death should take place in the exam hall. So understand the concept. If make acronym, like, to know the contents of memorandum of association, we can make the word no class. And for name clause, O for object clause, C for capital, L for liability clause, A and S for association and subscription, and last S is situation of registered office. So I'll discuss more one-to-one on study, because we have participants who are more of entrepreneurs, but one should enjoy the study. I tell students, study should be like seeing a movie. It should be like seeing a drama. It should be like a game you are playing. Then you are not studying, because then you have made a study as your passion. So depending on one's goal, one can study.
Excellent, sir. Very nice explanation, feeling it like a movie or drama. It will automatically make studies more interesting. If we
What are the
imagine it
other
like this. Other question is how to make our life easy, like how to reduce stress in our life. It's basically for stress management. When we have a stress of job,
Yeah, I have put a
and
slide. See,
personal
what is
relationship,
stress?
family responsibility, stress.
See, stress is when I think too much about a particular thing. I feel I'm not able to manage it.
Okay.
So, stress we can divide into two kind of stress. One is a positive stress, which makes me more enthusiastic, which make me bound to do certain things. So suppose when I speak to Dipti, when there is a session, there is a stress to the speaker also and stress to the organizer also. See how many participants will come. But positive stress is how from the organizer side, how we can reach out to more and more, participants who can take a benefit of the program. So the stress management is when you calm down the mind, you do the meditation, you have a positive mental attitude, you feel that the things will happen, you will achieve that, everything is all right, then there's no stress.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir, thank you. And the next question is, sir, the question is, you have explained everything very nicely, but how, give us some tips and tricks to follow and to practice 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes, which we can apply in our daily life, and we will be able to follow what you have said in today's session.
See what, I have, I'm showing the full screen of my PPT.
The further it elaborates as, give us some mechanism by doing or following that we automatically start walking the path. That's what you have told, action. That action starts beginning after those 2-3 steps.
See, one is, we have to overcome the fear. Many things we don't do because there is a fear of failure. I don't start a new business because I feel there may be a loss. Or I don't reach out to a new customer, the money may not come, it may become bad debts. So I'll do a due diligence. So if I overcome fears, use a dramatic play that it will happen. Draw and talk about the fear to others. Look under the bed. These are the normal things for a stress management also and overcoming the fears. And then another thing is the persistence. There are 13 steps to reach it, to achieve anything. And these are given by Napoleon Hill. And these are time tested. Like I have made an acronym D, FAKI, PDP, MEMBS. D FAKI means Delhi ke log FAKI, PDP Public Development Program, Madam MEM balancing. So first step, this is to achieve success after success. Once I have one success, I should make another goal. So there should be a burning desire. Then I should have 100% faith कि ये होगा. Like I'll give you one live example. This year I enrolled for LLM. So my team member told me, Mr. Adukia, they are asking so many things, migration certificate, we may not receive. I said, no, we will do. So there was 100% faith. Then automatically auto suggestion comes, what can be done. Then you acquire a specialized knowledge about that goal. You start imagination. You do an organized planning to achieve it. You take decisions. You continuously work on that. There is a persistence. You create a mastermind. The author has used mystery of sex transmutation, but here it means enthusiasm. Then using subconscious mind, using brain, and using sixth sense, sometimes we call it intuition. So this will happen if we follow this, and we will achieve our goal. So how to achieve? And there is another 7 steps of 7 habits by Stephen Covey, highly effective people. We have to be proactive. We begin with end in mind. We put first thing first. First we understand somebody, and then we understood. Synergize, sharpen the saw. About the student, there is a Tony Buzan who has given a memory technique. There is a Wilford Pareto has come out with a principle called 80-20. 20% of our work give 80% result. And 80% remaining gives 20% result. Like those who are entrepreneurs, they should make a list of their clients. Those who are professional also should make a list of their clients. You will find 20% of the customers are giving 80% revenue, either of sales or professional fees. And remaining 80% gives only 20%. So if I want more time, especially for professional, and similarly for entrepreneur, say if I leave 25% of 80%, I will have 20% more time to think who can be my new customer. I will have 25% more time to learn something new, and my revenue will get reduced only by 5%. That will also not get reduced. So we can follow this principle. This will help us to achieve what we want to achieve.
So another thing is once the goal is set, after that during that journey of achieving goal, we come across a lot of ups and downs, and we often get demotivated and we lose trust on our goal. We used to lose the trust on our goal as from the feedback from the people around us, ki what you are doing, it's not worth, and so many mixed reviews which we get, and we lose trust on that goal, ki it's not happening, it's not going to happen. So how to carry on your EQ at such a situation, how to face it?
Now see, once, say suppose I set a goal that I will have 500 crore by December 21 from my training programs. So that is those 13 steps if I follow. First, I'll set a goal. Then I will have a faith in myself. So there is a burning desire, there is a faith, then the auto suggestion will come. In which countries I can do training program, what are the subjects I can do, which are the big, revenue generating programs. Then I will have a specialized knowledge, imagination. So if say 6 months have passed and I have achieved only 10 crore, I have to think, what I did not try, what I could have done. I should find out new masterminds. I can think of even alternative goal, but I should put 100% of mine on that goal. And my experience is success will come.
Okay.
Somebody
Okay.
can give me a live example, because here we are just talking of theory. If the querist want to tell me the goal set and to what extent the goal is achieved.
Yes, we would like to hear some real life examples from our participants. It would be great if you share your experiences. It's not necessary ki only professional experience, even personal goals, personal experiences also you can share with us. I would like to unmute. Please raise your hand. So by that time, please answer the next question. How to overcome the fear or anxiety? Anxiety, the pressure which is created during when we set the goal. Ayush would like to share something before that answering. Ayush, please unmute yourself. Yeah, Ayush.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Ayush, go ahead. Little louder.
Regarding my goal, when I was on 18, after completion my 12th, I was like, what I should do after clearing my CPT. So I decided, look, I want to do something big rather than a CA. So I started my startup. It was very harsh for me to in a small area to find some investor and something, but I took one step. As draft, I took a pen and paper. I wrote what I want to start. Then I wrote all the things which I need to accomplish my startup. Then I find like I need an IT company, I need a staff, I need these persons. Then in the last I read what kind of capabilities I need to be a like a founder or CEO or whatever my startup need to me. Then I take mark, okay, I have that capabilities, I have that capabilities. So okay, I lack in this capability. So I mark each and everything. I check it out. I cross it out. I work on me a step by step.
Ayush,
yes.
At the 1 year, I sold my startup it was unbelievable for me. I sold it for 60 lakh rupees. I started with 100 rupees. So I don't know how it worked out with me, but as the law of attraction says कि आप जिस तरह के मनुष्य हैं, जिस तरह की आपकी सोच है या जिस तरह की आपकी कोशिश है, वो कभी ना कभी वर्कआउट होगी. और इट हैपन विथ मी. तो मैं ये अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाह रहा था आप लोगों के साथ में कि जब हम गोल सेटअप करते हैं तो स्टार्टिंग में लगता है कि यार कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, इसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स आ जाएगा, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको छोटे जल के कारण में ऐसा लगेगा, डिप्रेस होने लग जाओगे आप कि यार कि ऐसा होगा. बट कोई ना कोई मनुष्य आपको ये बोलेगा कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा. लेकिन आप जब लगे रहते हो उसके अंदर, लगे रहते हो, तो वही लोग आपसे आके पूछते हैं कि आपने कैसे किया. तो अपने गोल को एक पेपर पे लिखो और अपने माइंड में जो कुछ भी आ रहा है कि इसमें क्या क्या चाहिए, क्या प्लस है, क्या माइनस है, क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड आपकी तरफ से क्या रिक्वायर्ड है और मार्केट की क्या डिमांड है. फिर आप कस्टमर पे वर्कआउट करते हो, फिर आप सब पे वर्कआउट करते हो, एंड एट द लास्ट आप न्यूज़पेपर पे होते हो.
Thank you, Ayush. Dipti, what was
Excellent,
your
Ayush.
question? Let me answer that question which you had asked.
Okay, sir. I'll repeat. Thank you, Ayush, for sharing your experience. Thank you. And it's a motivating real life story for all of us. Sir, the question is how to overcome the fear, anxiety
Yeah.
when we set the goal and we
Yes.
we get pressurized with our own created responsibilities. हमारा खुद का ही imagination हमें crush करता है.
No, I had shown that slide. See, overcoming the fear happens when we are not 100% confident of what goal we have set. So overcoming that fear is एक तरीका यह है कि वो हो गया, समझो मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझे 10 करोड़ का लॉस हो जाएगा बिजनेस में. नाउ ऐसा सोचो 10 करोड़ हो गया तो हम उसके बाद में 20 करोड़ कमा लेंगे. दूसरा, वी शुड डिस्कस आउट दैट फियर with our people who are positive minded, who can motivate us. These are the alternatives. This way we can strategize or minimize the losses. So fear is created in the mind, and some kind of anxiety is good because then we are cautious. So in a business language, we call it risk. So in everything, there is a risk. Suppose we announce this program, there is a risk that only one participant gets enrolled or no participants get enrolled. But how to overcome that fear? You reach out to more likely participants who can join the program. So every fear can be overcome by working on that particular subject matter.
Excellent, sir. Very nice solution and very practical. The moment we start working on that particular fear, wo stress automatic start getting reduced. Thank you. And another question which is on personal front, which we have got, is how to overcome the fear of losing the person in a relationship.
Yeah. Okay.
Now fear of losing it to other person. I think it's more on
I'll see Napoleon Hill
relationship. Yeah.
Fear. He talks about 6 kind of fear. I have made an acronym, IPL document. So there is a fear of illness, कि I'll get ill. There is a fear of poverty, that I may lose the money. There is a fear of loss of love, that spouse may die, or loss of love, or maybe divorce, or children may die. There is a fear of death, I may die. Like, I said, I'm 61, still doing 12 courses. People at this age may say कि नहीं तुम इतना पढ़ के क्या करोगी? So fear of death, या कल मर जाओगी, तो fear of old age and fear of criticism. So Napoleon Hill says कि जो fear का बाप है, सबसे बड़ा fear है susceptibility to negativity. जो लोग ये बोलते हैं ये तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, ये तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, तो ऐसे लोगों का नंबर ब्लॉक कर देना चाहिए. जो घर वाले हैं उनको मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम रिश्ते नहीं तोड़ सकते. सो द फियर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन वाज फियर ऑफ लॉस ऑफ लव or fear of near relatives losing. So that fear will be overcome by positive thoughts, and worst come worst, accepting that. So by that way we can overcome the fear. And overcoming the fear is very, very important, because if the fear is in the mind, we will not take actions. Our energy and efficiency will get reduced.
Right.
What, Dipti, I will do, in 5-10 minutes, I'll just show the full screen. If there are important slides, I will talk on that, because we have 14 minutes to go.
Yeah.
So let me see what are the slide which I wanted to show, and this whole PPT we will be sharing, and maybe immediately I'll make Dipti, this PPT is with you.
Yes, sir.
And you can make a PDF and share with the participants.
Sure, sir. We'll share with all the participants of ours today's webinar.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So I have made some slides on relationship management.
Yes.
So relationship depends on, like
So
relationship.
please select that slide of relationship management because we are able to see all the slides as of now. Please highlight
Yeah.
that particular slide.
See, the relationship happens when there is an attitude of giving and not just getting. It will apply to spouse, to children, to larger family. Be a giver like sun and sea. Don't go seeking happiness. Go to giving happiness, and magic will happen in your relationship. Suppose I want to make a friend with Ayush Puri. Now, if I start sharing whatever he want to learn, he will be a good friend of mine. So relationship is a glue that keeps our life, and it is very, very important for success. Those who do not have a good relationship, there is a vacuum, and there is a reduction of the enthusiasm. So that is one area which I wanted to talk about. There is one slide which for the married persons, love your spouse more than you love your career, hobbies, and money. That other stuff can't love you back, because the spouse relationship is most important. Uh, there is a slide on spirituality also, because it helps to bring peace in life, manage stress. So supreme power. So spirituality do not mean that we believe in certain things. It charges our emotional batteries, connect with higher self and nature. There is a slide on time management. They say that there are 4 quadrants: uh, important and urgent, like crisis. So the good time managers always remain in quadrant 2, important and not urgent. So preparation, planning, exercise, relationship building. So whatever time we can save, the quadrant 3 and 4 we can avoid, like interruptions. I see my WhatsApp only once a day. Sometimes I do not see my WhatsApp for last 2-3 days. I tell people that you write an email to me. I do not attend unsaved number. I keep a message, please SMS your name, message, and email ID. So various things, some meetings you can avoid. The quadrant 4 is junk mail. You can remove notifications, time wasters. So time management is very, very important. Uh, then I have written few how we can earn more. See, money is very important. So I have prepared some slide how you can have online home tuition, and there should be multiple sources of income. Say, for example, I am a chartered accountant, advocate, and few other qualifications. But I can make astrology as my source of income. I can make numerology as my source of income. If I know yoga, I can start. So any activity you can make as a source of income. You have to compare which gives more satisfaction, which is your passion. So you can be a content writer, uh, and there are various. Now COVID has taught us how to earn and learn 24 hours online. So we can do a consultancy. We can use all the social media. Uh, the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Signal. There are new things. Yeah, we can take questions, Dipti. Another 8 minutes available. We can, and
Yes.
I would repeatedly tell the participants they are free. They are free to write to me. They can email me, and I will talk to them. We can discuss for any whatever amount of time you want, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and we are committed that you achieve your goal. But A for action, and it is second alphabet of success. You and you, and you have to take actions.
Yes.
Yes, Dipti.
Sir, thank you for this wonderful session on success, and would like to share the details of upcoming programs. That is on 28th, we are having this program with all the participants. Are you able to see the screen?
No, we are able to see the screen, but not the flyer.
Okay. Abhi, are you able to
No, Dipti, what you can do, maybe program details you can put in the WhatsApp group. If there are any
Okay.
questions, we can utilize the time for that.
Yes, yes.
Or you can make the unmuting available rather than raising hand. Any participant can ask the question.
Yes, sir, it is available.
So I would request, that bindas question pucho. Nadeem, you are connected with me for some time. Rucha, you had asked some question. I had an answer for that, that how to be a good HR consultancy. My advice will be start today, maybe offline. I want to earn a lot of money and I want to become a partner with each one of you in your goal, in your mission.
Yeah. Sir,
I think
Parth,
unmuting is available.
Parth, yes, Parth Pithalia, please
Yeah.
ask your
Yes, Parth.
question.
Parth, pucho.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I am from Vidisha. It is a small town near Bhopal.
Yeah.
Okay. We know that.
I
Yeah.
want to go in the management consultancy field. Here, I am practicing since 2013 and developed a good set of clientele. It is becoming a comfort zone for me and pulling me backward to go with the set of clients I have gathered during these years.
So Parth, my advice to you is कि now location is totally immaterial. मतलब I can put a global practice, online practice to use social media for your goal, whatever area you want to say management consultancy in what area, say restructuring the business, expansion of the business, getting the equity, and tell yourself, make yourself uncomfortable. So you yourself has to take a call and rightly when you are saying, and the existing work, always there is a work which can be standardized and which can be given to our team members. So you will have extra time for the new venture, new activity. And if the new venture brings more money than what existing activity is done, uh, you start working on that from today itself and we can exchange email and further planning on that part. And
Yes,
remove all the blockage that Vidisha is a small place, how and your market should be the whole globe, whole world should be the market. So you may start with Madhya Pradesh, then maybe India, and not restricted to few towns. Anyone else?
So I have given the option of unmuting.
Yeah. Anyone who want to say something can unmute themselves and they can say. Kavita, Neha, Sudhir. Yes. Let us utilize 3 minutes.
Kavita ji
Yeah.
is here.
Yeah.
Kavita ma'am, please.
Yeah.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. So thank you so much for giving so much of light on how we should improve ourselves, how we should keep ourselves positive. It's really been a good program for us. Definitely all of us have this in mind, that how do I improve myself? How do I achieve my goal? Yes, you've spoken very well about how we should work amongst ourselves. Definitely, I would want to approach step by step when I put myself, when I line up things for myself, and whenever I get stuck, I would look forward to have your advice on it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Kavita.
Thank you, Kavita ji, for such a nice review. Definitely,
Thanks,
yes, ma'am. We are planning with Gyan Station is launching 52 weeks program, 52 weekly. Every week there's going to be one course conducted by Dr. Rajkumar Adukia sir, and we are offering annual subscription for this, as we are continuously getting demands from all our participants to launch the annual subscription scheme. So we are about to launch the annual subscription scheme, and it will be covering 52 sessions by Dr. Rajkumar Adukia sir. It will be conducted on 2nd and 4th Saturday and 1st and 3rd Sunday of every month. And you can go on more details by contacting on our help desk number, which I think all of you are having. And this program is going to be 26 technical sessions and 26 non-technical sessions will be covered in that. That will be on self-development, and like this, a complete grooming and 1-year mentorship will be provided to by the sir. So I would like you all to go through all the program details and decide your forte for this. And this is going to be an enlightening 2021 for all the Gyan Station participants, what we call the Gyanis of Gyan Station. So hope you see all there. We are upcoming with a 24th January corporate governance, A to Z of corporate governance and independent directors program on 24th of January, and on 28th of January we are having financial investing mind and mind setup and financial planning program on 28th of, that is free of cost, will be conducted by Gyan Station. We'll share you all the details of that. And here I would like to extend my heartiest vote of thanks to Rajkumar Adukia sir for his enlightening session. As the sir has very well said, कि success is independent of the past. The past has no connectivity with your present, so we should start feeling ourselves successful from this moment, and this movement we should start feeling ourselves successful, and we become what we think of. So we should think what we want to become, what is our goal. We should focus on our goal and just keep all our thoughts aside. So thank you, sir, for this excellent session, and see you all there. Please take good care of yourself. Here we end our today's session. Thank you all participants for joining us. Thank you.